So for anyone that doesn't know much about trading, this is what ethereum's doing right now. Boom, just got an update. Great. 1039. I got in this at 745 and I got out at 980, so I've made a bit of money already. So I'm just doing this now because I did jump back in at 1005, which was very stupid, but I'm a very impatient human being. So see all these lines that don't make much sense right a second. I'm going to give them to you now and tell you what they are. Okay, so obviously green, all-time high. Top yellow is the high it's gotten to on this last bull run. The other high is the first top that it got to when it finished, hourly finish. Now this white line is interesting, and in a few minutes we're probably going to see this, because we've got 9 minutes here to go. I'm not going to bore you for 9 minutes, but this will either finish above or it'll finish below. Now, this is how I know institutions and Wall Street are now part of this game. If it goes above this line, we know we're going to get a breakthrough to $1,100 at the finish of the hour. If we play our cards right, we can pull out at a little bit higher. But we'll say it's a safe bet. But no, that won't actually happen. People probably play about 1080, I reckon. If it doesn't go over, now right now, more than likely there'll be a dump. This shows institution. So here it is. This is make or break right now. I'll talk a bit more of what's going on. So we saw a strong rejection here in this wick, becoming more of a hammer formation, but it's not really. But you see what I'm saying? The bottom wick, this part here, you can see where the price tried to drop. Well, I would say more than likely got down. Institution bought here, so they're buying at $1,000. Okay, they're buying at 1,000, and right now they can sell at 1,046. Now, if they have just 10 shares, right? Just 10 shares, they made $460. Do you think they got 10 shares or 10 million shares? 10,000 shares, 1,000 shares. You get the picture though, right? 100 shares, it's 4,500. And add a zero every time you add, a bit of money, of course. If this breaks through, though, they're going to go up to the next one, which is the big money. This is where we have to keep our eyes open, people, because institutions, they're happy to ride this small trend right now, which is up, down, so, and that's this line here. Pretty sure this was the last, this was the bottom of the first top, so the first breakout, when we stopped our run, this line is that, and nothing's come to that low, and this is why I have no fear of it getting under, well, that's 960. So I have no fear of ETH going under $900. Not in a million years, man. So if you want to leverage right now, you only got $1,000, 10x that, because it's not going to go down to 900. In my opinion, I don't know much about this, as I've already said. I don't know why people even have to tell other people. It's not a financial advice. I'm on YouTube. If I was good at financial advice, I would be in Wall Street. Or I'd just be at home, making money. I'm wasting my fucking time even talking. That's just, I don't understand these fucking YouTube fucking idiots. Anyway, here it is. It's bouncing off again. So institution's doing what it always does. It's selling now. It's making the quick profit. Look, this is more risky. This stuff's too risky right now. Because all institutions are the same. They're all greedy monkeys. And they all think the same way. And that is that this line is take profit. This line is take profit. This line is every other company on the planet is going to take profit here. So I have to too. If it breaks through, it's us, man. It's us. It means we did it. It means the bulls took first place. But as you can see, it's doing it again. I'm thinking of pulling out right now. I'm taking my $40 profit. $40 on the share profit. Like, it's not a bad profit. Oh, man. Oh, well, anyway. So I'm trying to show you guys. I wanted to try and go until the end of the hour, but I'm pretty sure I already know what's going to happen here. It will not close above. If this closed above this line, 1045. So I'll just let you know now. I'm going to put this on right now on YouTube. Anyone that's looking at it, if this breaks above 1145, it will get to 1100. Okay? So don't stress about that one. And also, not financial advice. Due to these lines that I've made, these are highs and lows and in betweens, and these are my. Jeez, I'm gonna be quick about this because this is ridiculous. Because it sounds like stupid to everyone. So there's my trend line from March, the crash, right? That's the trend line. Boom, boom, boom. Still, minimum. What is it? Minimum. I think it was like $500 minimum. Maximum, obviously, you know, thousands, and then we had the November run. Not November. Yeah, the November run here. Which I don't know why it's in two different colours, but you can see the run. I'll get my little cursor at that one there. That's the run. And that's where we just went up a notch. And here's where I knew we were gonna go ape shit, right here. Because what happened? I'll show you what happened, people. We broke the trend line. We broke the first trend line from back in March. The purple line, that's the trend line from March. We had not broken it. We'd touched it. We'd touched it so many fucking times. It was unbelievable. The resistance to this was fucking. This is why anyone that even knew. I only learned about trading in the last couple of weeks. Not even that. Maybe the last week. Anyone that has learnt about trading, that knows about trading, should have known ETH was going to go fucking stupid when they saw this on the daily. Beautifully break resistance, and then the day after test it. And then for 3 days following, didn't go near it. And they didn't think it was going to take off. I don't understand that. If you are an investor and you didn't make money off Ethereum, you shouldn't be investing. Because I would have seen that and I'm putting money in. Just like I'm looking at ADA now and I'm thinking, you know, I think it's time. I haven't done enough analysis. I haven't done as much as this. Like, there's 1,000 lines on this. Like, if I showed you this right now, you'd be like, what the fuck is all this? And I still really don't know what all this is. Chest is so disgusting. I'm sorry, guys. You know, that's the story, morning glory. So, yeah, peace.